In this movie, we're going to cover the topic of format templates. When I say templates, I'm referring to the Crystal provided physical format and layout that you can choose from when going through the report wizard. In the beginning of this course, I've expounded on the fact that Crystal will not think for you. Crystal has done its best to actually format for you. A lot of people who don't have confidence in their own design skills, or like myself who are colorblind and have no design skills, often fall back on these templates to help them convey the message or make the reports look better. In order for us to go through the formats, we're going to create a simple basic report. Starting at Crystal Reports, click on the Standard Report Wizard link from the Start page. From here, let's connect to our test database. I'm going to choose ODBC, choose my test database, and finish. From here, I'm going to choose my customer and my revenue transaction table and click Next. I'll rearrange my tables slightly, and then I'm going to join client number from the revenue transaction table. Hold down to client num from the customer table. We're going to hit Next. From here, I need to pull in client and office. From the revenue transaction table, I need to pull in revenue amount, refund amount, and revenue date. Go ahead and click Next. From here, we're going to group by client and rev date and click Next. We're going to leave the summaries alone. We're not going to do any group sorting per se, nor are we going to add a chart. We're not going to filter any fields either. This is where the templates are stored in Crystal and when you're creating your report. The default is no template, leaving Crystal to use its simple default and place it where it can based on the size of the default page. But you have several choices. You can block, confidential underlay, corporate, corporate blue, corporate green, and so on. We're going to start with the block blue as a start. Go ahead and press Finish. Now this is what this looks like here. As you can see, Crystal has formatted it and it's put its own little logo up here. You can also replace that logo. The only thing we're going to do is we're going to right click on group header 2. That's the GH2 right here, and we're going to change the group. Instead of for each week, I need to see for each year, and press OK. As you can see, the format's not a bad format. It lists it out nice enough, but it really comes down to how your data is going to be laid out. How much detail do you need to see? Do you need to insert a chart or not? In the next few lessons, we're going to continue along with this report and take a look at a couple of different formats and templates, as well as how to modify them and how to export them.